In this video, we are going to talk about Override Default WP Emails add-on. Firstly, we need to know what this add-on does. This add-on overrides the default email notifications of your WordPress so that you can control over your email. At first, turn on the add-on. Click the Option button. Then, you will see two checkbox options. If you check the first option, it will override the default user registration email. One thing you need to know that these options are useful when you want to customize your own email. From the email notifications, you can customize emails for users and admin. In user notification, this email will be sent to new user after registration. You can change from name and from email, it will change default email sender. Leave blank if you wish to use default. You also have the option to change email format to plain text or HTML. You have the full access to edit and customize its subject and body. You can also set different email for different users based on their role. If you check Disable this notification, it will not send any email notification to user. If email verification is needed for user activation, then the body needs to contain a verification link. To assign a verification link in your email body, use placeholder %email verification URL %. In admin notification, this email will be sent to admin after new user registration. You can also edit its subject and body based on user role, as same as user notification. If you want to send this email to all of your admin, then check the Send Email to All Admin option. You can also check Disable the notification, if you don't want to send any notification to the admin after a new user registration. After that, click Save Changes. When you are done with the customization, then try a new user registration from your website and check your email notification. Unlike user registration, if you check the default reset password, it will override the default reset email. Then, you can customize the email based on the roles by UserMeta email notification. On the other hand, disable it if you want to go back to WP default email. This way, you can personalize your email notifications for registration and reset password. Thank you for watching.